I'm going to put now the spices in the pot. There. And I started the beef, ground beef. There. As you can see that now I'm going to slice this one. There, wow. I need a bowl to set this one here. Going to pour water. Just add water here. And now I'm going to slices more onion and garlic for the spaghetti, for the ground beef. This is hard to do. It's been so long, my visitor did not. Actually, guys, our visitor today is Amy and Steve, our friend. They invited us last Sunday to join them when they went to the resort, but I said I am busy. Because that Sunday I'm busy on the store. And then Amy said that we will just come to your house on Tuesday. So today is Tuesday, so they're coming here soon. I need to look at. Okay, come. They're cooking now. Lalo na ko bitaw na. Need to add water here. See guys, I'm so busy. Wala pang 5 minutes. I do it this way because it's so hard to remove the skin, the garlic skin. So once I flatten this one, so easy to remove the skin. So I'm done here. Still windy here, guys, you know, very windy. We are planning today to cut down the big tree there, but Let's check, guys. See? So after this one, I'm going to put the onion and the garlic. I did not make yet the boiling water for spaghetti because no more space. Let's check again my soap. Oh wow, look at. Yum yum. So I'm going to put now add the squash. The squash. Here is my squash, guys, frozen. There. So the squash will soft and nice to will mix to the soap. Now I'm going to put now the garlic and onion. Okay. There. Yeah. I wanna add little oil. There. So after this one will cook, I'm going to boil water for the spaghetti. I'm going to add here to what do you call this one? Mushroom. I'll get the mushroom, guys. Okay, I have mushroom now. See the can? Nice, because so easy to open. Okay. Dahil dito. Suman natin. Grabe. Sorry guys, nagaway ko guys. So hard to open. So tight. Okay. Yum yum. So I want to add now spices. Bell pepper. Ingredients rather. Allspice. Then salt. My salt. Okay. Mix it salt. Then mix it. See guys. Yum yum. This might be cooked already. Now I need to set aside so I can make water boiling for spaghetti. I want to drain now the water here. Too heavy. Okay. That's it. Oh, heavy. So I'm going to mix now the stuff. The meat. Turn on the fire again. To mix the meat. Where is my meat? There is my meat. There is my meat. There. Now mix. Going to mix it. Wow. See guys. So sticky. I love my spaghetti. We always cook like this. Feel it. Spaghetti and then the macaroni. Wow. Yum. Finished guys. Then I have rice here. I cook rice. So that's it guys. I'm done cooking now. Very fast. So easy. So bye guys. See you later guys. God bless you all.